Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to effectively use teamwork.com for product backlog management. First things first, let's create a new project. Head over to the Projects tab and select New Project. This is our first step because it allows us to establish a new workspace dedicated to our specific product development. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the Tasks section. This is where we list all our product backlog items. Click Add Task, then fill in the details for each product backlog item. Be sure to prioritize and assign them to the right team members. The reason we do this is to ensure that every item has a clear path to completion and that everyone knows their responsibilities. Once you've added all your tasks, it's time to use the board view. This is where teamwork.com really shines. It visually represents your product backlog, making it easy for you to manage and track progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task card moves from left to right, representing its journey from backlog to completion. Next up, let's use the Filters feature. You can filter tasks by priority, assignee, or status, making it easier to find specific backlog items. This helps us because it allows for efficient backlog management, ensuring no task gets overlooked in the development process. Lastly, remember to consistently update your tasks as they progress. Keep everyone in the loop by adding comments, changing statuses, and updating task details. This keeps your product backlog management transparent and ensures everyone is on the same page. And that's it. You've now got a handle on using teamwork.com for product backlog management. Remember, the key here is organization and constant communication. With these tools, your product development will be more efficient than ever. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.